Hope you all are having a good day. Happy Monday. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on email marketing tips for beginners. Email marketing is a very effective tool. Use it widely. 47% of emails get opened based off subject line alone, while 67% get reported as spam based on subject alone. And with that being said, I'm going to give you the 5 essential must-haves if you want to get your emails opened, and I'm going to let you know what you should and shouldn't do based off essential tested data. If you're starting off in email marketing, the rule number 1 is to make your email short. I cannot tell you how many times I've received emails and they're long, like 2-page stories, and I just delete them because and I think a lot of you guys like emails and other communications get short and straight to the point. Number 2, stay brief when you're writing an email. Stay brief as possible. Make it interesting, make it intriguing, make it valuable and relevant to the email that you're sending out to people. Number 3, focus on what's in it for me. So what's in it for the customer? For an example, and if you see me looking down, it's because I took a lot of notes before I did this video to bring it to you to give you some good relevant information. For example, this company is hiring writers now with the skills, with one skill, okay? And we're paying $750 per page. And then something like that, I like to respond to, and also give a deadline. Excuse me if I'm kind of messing up here, but I just got a lot of information. Give a deadline, like your 7 figures plan goes by midnight. Give people a reason to open your email right now. Urgency. And no, that's number 3. Number 4, stand out from the boring institutions. Oh man, how many of you get these boring emails from people that just go on and on and on? It just sounds so boring. Not like this. It's just nothing in it for you that you just automatically delete it because it doesn't seem like it offers no benefit for you. Because when you're in the marketing business, or you're in digital marketing or online marketing, whatever type of marketing you do, people always want to know from the jump, what can you do for me? And here are 4, 5 unique things, tips that you could use. Be unique, stand out from the boring institution, useful, and what's in it for me, urgent, give the reader a reason to open right now. Be ultra specific, something like numbers and data's context is better than just being vague. So with that being said, if you're just now starting out in email marketing, or you need some help with email marketing, like, share, and subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think email marketing is effective? And if not, let me know why you think that. Just, get a comparison here with the data I got, and so I can make better content for you guys to try to help you guys in whatever issue it is that you might be having with your online marketing, your YouTube channel, whatever the case may be. Just shoot me a message, as I do check all my messages individually. Have a nice day. If you like the content, share, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day.